We utilize high-speed automation for washing, grading, and packing, guaranteeing freshness upon arrival.
As part of our optimized early morning harvest, workers cut the large green bunches, which are immediately placed on.
Moving rapidly from the fields, the bananas are submerged in the washing station, where our quality control team ensures. The logistics team utilizes real-time data to optimize the unloading process, ensuring peak freshness upon arrival. The green banana crates are swiftly moved by our automated forklifts to the intake area, where the sorting process begins. The bananas are gently lowered onto the padded conveyors, ensuring no bruising as they are prepared for washing.
Water quality is optimal, passing all hygiene standards.
Excellent. Let's log the results and continue the run.
Our advanced optical scanners meticulously analyze each banana, checking for defects, size, and surface condition at high speed. Our automated systems utilize precise data analysis to sort the bananas into specific grading lanes, maximizing efficiency. As the bananas enter the drying tunnels, our specialized air systems efficiently remove surface moisture from the skins. Our advanced environmental control systems stabilize temperature and humidity, ensuring the bananas remain in peak condition. These sealed banana ripening chambers utilize advanced ethylene systems to initiate and control the maturation process.
This time-lapse demonstrates the controlled ripening cycle. From deep green to a vibrant yellow, the entire
The ripening cycle is complete. Our automated systems ensure a seamless transfer to the conveyors, minimizing handling and maximizing efficiency. The precision of these robotic arms allows us to inspect every single banana, guaranteeing only the highest quality product reaches the consumer.
As we see here, the integration of robotics drastically improves throughput. The cartons are
As you can see, the automated cells handle the fruit with precision. This optimized choreography.
The internal temperature on pallet 4B looks good.
Confirmed. The shipment manifest matches the scan data.
This next-generation sealing machine utilizes advanced robotics to ensure a perfect closure every time.
Here we see the high-speed inkjet printers applying crucial batch and traceability codes, ensuring every carton can be tracked from the factory floor to the market.
Here we see the synchronized movements of the robotic palletizers. They handle the banana cartons with precision.
Here we see the automated stretch wrapper engaging the banana pallets, ensuring stability for transport. Maintaining the cold chain is critical. Here at the hub, automated guided vehicles ensure fresh bananas reach their destination efficiently.
Temperature is steady at 13.3 Celsius.
Confirmed. Logging the data now.
Every hour, a dozen trucks leave this facility, bringing quality bananas to tables across the nation.
The optimized route through the South Atlantic corridor is clear. We anticipate arrival ahead of schedule.
Excellent. Inform the Sao Paulo hub.
The torque setting looks low on joint 4.
Okay, applying adjustment now. Check the calibration.
Looks good. Ramping back to full speed.
The rejected fruit is efficiently shredded and compressed, extracting liquids before the remaining biomass enters the composting phase.
Line 11 is running smooth. We just finished the quality check.
All right, I'll take it from here. Thanks.
The synchronized motion of this facility ensures peak performance, from washing to packaging.
From the loading bay to the sorting line, our automated systems ensure a continuous flow, processing thousands of bananas every hour.
Inside the ripening chambers, precise control is maintained. We monitor temperature, humidity.
The color grade is excellent, completely uniform across the batch.
Data confirms optimal parameters. Logging the stage now.
Here we see the multispectral imaging system evaluating each fruit against strict parameters for color and contour, instantly rejecting any anomalies.
Quality control is paramount. These dedicated professionals carefully trim and wipe each banana, preparing them for packaging.
To ensure precise carton specifications, the automated scales utilize high-precision load cells, guaranteeing accuracy within a fraction of a gram. The carton magons feed the flat banana boxes into the high-speed forming machines with incredible precision, utilizing advanced servo and pneumatic systems. Our latest design incorporates these cushioned guides, allowing the system to handle even the most delicate fruit at high speed with zero waste.
Here we see the latest iteration of the Series 7000 robotic arms, capable of meticulous arrangement at high speed.
Randomized quality control is essential. Our supervisors inspect the fruit for color, presentation, and firmness before shipment. Our automated systems utilize a controlled hot melt adhesive application, ensuring every banana carton is.
The sealed cartons move smoothly towards the palletizing zones, where our high-speed robotic arms precisely stack the product.
Here we see the stretch wrapping in action. This high-tension film ensures the bananas are perfectly secured for their journey.
Here at the main distribution hub, our electric forklifts move over 10,000 pallets daily along these safety lanes.
Temperature control is paramount. These rooms maintain a precise 14 degrees Celsius, crucial for extending the shelf life of the bananas.
Utilizing optimized logistics and state-of-the-art equipment, we can process over 50 pallets an hour, ensuring freshness from farm to market.
The system confirms the optimal temperature, clearing the cargo for immediate departure.
As you can see,
Our real-time tracking system monitors every crate from the moment it leaves the factory floor.
After every cycle, our sanitation teams utilize high-pressure systems to ensure a sterile environment.
Check the alignment on roller 4B. The tension seems slightly off.
Confirmed. The lateral movement is within tolerance now. Let's move on.
Regular maintenance is crucial. Here we see the team replacing a worn suction cup array to ensure the banana sorting line operates at peak efficiency.
This state-of-the-art system processes the rejected bananas, converting them into nutrient-rich compost through optimized biofermentation. The integration of high-speed robotics and real-time data visualization allows us to optimize energy consumption across the entire production line.
As the bananas move through the processing line, our state-of-the-art ventilation maintains the exact
Good morning, team. As you can see, our target for today is 50,000 bananas.
And what about the new ripening cycle? Will that affect our quota?
We've adjusted for that.
The restart sequence is complete. The new processing cycle is now fully underway, demonstrating unparalleled efficiency and precision.
Here we see the true scale of the operation. The high-speed machinery moves the bananas through washing and sorting.
The coordination between our skilled technicians and the automated systems ensures peak efficiency.
Welcome to the future of banana processing. From this overhead perspective, you can see the efficiency of our...
The proximity sensors ensure a smooth flow, logging quality data in real time. The system processes
The internal transport lanes are designed for seamless merging, allowing pallets from feeder lines to join the main trunk without any reduction in velocity.
As you can see, the integration of AGVs and traditional forklifts allows for seamless movement of perishable goods like these bananas.
When the safety light curtain is breached, the system safely stops. A quick reset on the HMI panel allows production to resume efficiently.
As part of our daily procedure, the emergency stops are tested to ensure rapid deceleration across all modules.
The efficiency reports for Q3 are looking excellent. We've exceeded the target by 5%.
Yes, and the throughput on line 3 has stabilized significantly.
As the sun rises over the eastern facility, the non-stop operation ensures that thousands of bananas are...
By focusing on these continuous improvement metrics, specifically the OEE and yield, we've significantly...
The integration of high-speed conveyors and AGVs ensures maximum efficiency as we prepare the...
As you can see, the synchronized flow from washing to packaging ensures peak efficiency and freshness.
Once again, the fresh green bananas enter our automated washing system, utilizing high-pressure jets and rotating brushes for optimal hygiene.
From the moment they arrive, these bananas are processed with incredible speed, reinforcing the seamless global supply cycle that never stops.